I'm a full-time content creator, so this is what I do. I buy things that I don't have money for. I'm gonna review, and it's gonna be based off of like petite-sizing.
We're young, we live in one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Might as well have fun while we can and save this series.
Today I got dressed up, put some makeup on, you know, put a nice cute outfit on that's casual. Today, yes, I'm gonna go to Nordstrom and just pick out a couple of Skims to try. I've been dying, okay, to try Kim K's line, but I was unemployed and I'm still unemployed, so I'm a full-time content creator. This is what I'm wearing, my actual Aritzia outfit. Nothing super special other than the fact that I'm gonna get a boiling point today with my boyfriend tonight. But let's go to the mall and I'm gonna pick out some stuff. Bye. I did it. Oh my gosh, guys. So much damage has been done. Okay, it's try on time. There's a lot of background noise because the contractors are working in the backyard right now, so I'm gonna try to speak as loud as I can so it'll mask that. I got so many things y'all don't even understand, and I had a $250 budget and it was right below that. So I'm doing it for ya. Let's go. Holy freaking crap. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the Bandeau. This is a whole tip. I'm wearing it upside down. The cashier lady, the sales, they're like telling me that there's more support on top. Look at that. What the actual heck? I am so freaking like, wow. What is this? Wow, snazzy. And it's like super soft. Okay, obviously paired with this cute Bandeau top, we have the Sculpting wear short, which is literally crazy, you guys. I kid you not. Hold on, I need to step on some kind of pedestal to show you guys because this is nuts. What is going on here? Also, it's kind of see-through. I personally don't even know what you wear with it. Probably a no-show thong. I really like this fit, actually. It's like really, really cinched up here, you guys. Like, I'm not even sucking in at this point. It's cinching everything, the waist. So I definitely think that this is definitely worth it. Skinny Kim K. Oh my God. We're gonna try on more stuff, okay? So let's see what's up. Okay, more on the casual end, we have this in extra small. I love this so much, guys, because you can just cinch it like this and no problem, right? It looks, that's how I would wear it, but if you're obviously like around your parents or grandparents, I would just, yep. But then, you know, going out and stuff like that, you just gotta, you know, look spicy. So I kind of just wore it with these jeans, these Urban Outfitter jeans. Wow, I am just, wow. Many of you are probably like, well, you could just buy that at Gap or Old Navy. Girl, look at the quality. Look at the freaking quality. It fits, this is extra small, right? Everything that she has is just hugging, like absolutely hugging my body, which is so nice. It makes you more skinnier, obviously. For the price though, I definitely would expect it to be to like, you know, $5 to $10 less. Okay guys, it's kind of scandalous, not gonna lie, but let's talk about this freaking bodysuit. I think this is the Everybody Cami bodysuit in all black, but like I said, it's like silky velvety. It literally looks like I have a bathing suit on, like no joke. I look like a plastic Barbie. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm literally loving it. You guys, what the actual heck? It's not even this much too. Like, I'd rather get this versus Aritzia bodysuits, if that makes sense. Okay, this one has got to be my ultimate favorite, but we have the Umber colored of the Bandeau top, which is also $28. Kind of put my makeup a little bit on there. Literally too stunned to speak. That's what the color looks like. It's the same one as the black one, but this bottom set that I bought, let me see what it's called. I got the Fits Everybody biker short. It is so thin. Look how thin it is. I feel like I'm not really wearing anything. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I feel like I'm just not like, you know, it's cinched up kind of, right? Look at that booty pop. Probably see my underwear line, LOL. Love that, literally love that. Okay, I think that's like everything that I wanted to show you guys. This was my receipt. I got 6 things for under $250 at Skims Nordstrom. Honestly, I might just wear this outfit to boiling point today when I go out with my boyfriend. So let me know what you guys think. What was your favorite fit and if I should do more of these. I'm unemployed, but I still spent to show you guys how sculpted it really looked. Like I personally love it so much. With the sizing, I am usually an extra small around there. I used to be an XXS, but I cannot like fit that past like my thighs. I'm so happy that you guys stayed to the very end. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn on that post notification so that way you know that I'm always posting throughout the entire week, okay? Let me know if I should do more, even though I'm unemployed. See you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!
I fall in love too easily. I fall